is painted. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've actually already started a TikTok for her. And I just so far just have her pictures on there. And now I can actually do videos with her. I suppose you guys might be curious on her name. Oh my god. Her name is Aurora Rain. Should have put a box of tissues in with her because oh my gosh. She is so adorable. So, I have started a vlogging channel where I'm sharing my personal life, and of course this week's vlog is all about her and getting her. Okay, well, I'm so happy and excited to have her, so I'm gonna go spend some time with her now, and I'm just so grateful.